Hi, I'm going to show you how you can add data maps to your presentations. So first, you want to make sure you have the Engage tab selected, then click on the Data Maps button. From there, you'll see a series of different data maps to choose from. We're going to select North America by country. So once you've selected that, click on the Insert button. And what this will do, it'll go ahead and insert that data map right on the slide. So we're going to close this dialog window, and we're going to select this data map, and we're going to move it to the location that we want. So once we've done that, what we can do is when we select the data map, you'll see these two gears appear on the top right. Let's go ahead and click on those gears. This will reopen this dialog window. And what we can do now is we can do a couple things. The first thing we can do is click this Edit Data button. So when we do that, it opens up an Excel embedded worksheet, and we can update the different values here to update this data map. And we can go ahead and close this Excel spreadsheet, and it'll recalculate based on the values we've put in. The other way to update this is by clicking Edit Data and then going to File, doing a File Save As, and saving this file somewhere on our computer. And when we're done updating the values, next to this Edit Data, you'll notice this drop-down triangle, and we just click on this Import from Excel and select the file that we've just saved. The other option we have here in this dialog window is by clicking the Legend button. So when we click on that, we can click this checkbox to show the legend. So let's go ahead and do that and close this dialog window. And now you'll notice that we have this legend that appears over here, and we can move it to the location that we want. And this is how you access data maps in Engage. Thank you.